And very important thing about khushu, ulama, shuyukh, they mention in their books how to get khushu and khudu, concentration and devotion in your salat, how to get that quality. So they say with two qualities, you can get it, with two things. Protect your gaze, and then protect your ears from music and backbiting and all haram things. Because normally we don't backbite, but if someone is backbiting, we say, really? Enjoying. So the way backbiting is haram, similarly listening to backbiting is also haram. So this is their first quality. And second quality, وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنِ اللَّغْوِ مُعْرِضُونَ. They don't indulge in useless talk, in useless activities. And we can learn this quality. I will finish my talk with second quality. I will continue the next Jummah. We can learn this quality from businessmen, like who's running big factory, big business. Sit down with them for a while. Brother, they don't have time for you. They don't have time for themselves. They focus on their business, which is right. I'm not saying that they are doing something haram. But learn this thing. We should learn from them. When it's come to deen, we take it easy. Allah is Ghafoor Rahim. Don't worry. We have time. They call in Urdu Fursat Ali Khan. They call in Urdu Fursat Ali Khan. He has the time in the world. You can make him sit down, you can tell him the stories, and he will listen to you. So brother, this is a humble request. I remember one time one of the famous cricketer of Pakistan cricket team, if you go on Google and just write down his name, it will come up. Saeed Anwar, one of the great and famous cricketer. Now mashallah, he turned into mashallah, a very religious person. I met him in Lahore. And then I asked him, because keep in mind he's the world record, he made a world record in the most highest runs in one inning, 194. And then subhanallah, I asked him, Saeed Bhai, do you know that person now in the team? Do you know that person now in the team? Because I was literally telling him I'm still following. You know what he said to me? He said, the captain of the team came to me, like some brothers brought him to me. Even I don't know who's the captain of the team. And I was shocked. Saeed Bhai, you don't know the captain of the Pakistan cricket team? He said, no, I don't know. And then he said, you know why? Because this ayat, subhanallah, I still remember as if yet like yesterday. He said, this ayat, go to Surah Al-Mu'minun. And then he said, وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنِ اللَّغْوِ مُعْرِضُونَ. Those people who are not indulged in useless activities. He said, this ayat is stopping to indulge in these activities. He said, no more, I have no any updates. And then I said to him, Saeed Bhai, can you make dua for me as well? You did something, subhanallah, this is very tremendous thing. Knowledge is put aside, but practice something different thing in the world. I said, can you make dua for me as well? So may Allah Ta'ala give us at least, these two qualities in the beginning, that our salat, we should make our salat beautiful as much we can, ruku and sajda, please. And second, don't indulge in useless activities. We should use our time wisely. There are ayats, there are Quranic ayats, there are hadiths about timing, that use your time wisely. Otherwise, on the day of judgment, even you are in Jannah, you will be regret. لَيْسَ يَتَحَسَّرُ أَهْلُ الْجَنَّةِ إِلَّا عَلَى سَاعَةٍ مَرَّتْ بِهِمْ لَمْ يَذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ عَزَّ وَجَلَّ. When they will go to Jannah, who? Jannati people. They will not regret on anything which they left behind in the world, except on those seconds, some minutes, some seconds, marrat bihim lam yazkurullah azza wa jal, they didn't remember Allah. On that time, they will be regretting even in Jannah. So may Allah Ta'ala give us the tawfiq to bring these qualities